Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here.
One, two, three, let's go!
My name is Deepika and I'm a Viscom student studying at Madras Christian College, Chennai. So today's video is about Amrita Vishwa Vidya Peetham University, which is also known as Amrita University. So in today's video, I will cover this university. So first, I will give you a quick introduction about the university. Next, I will tell you guys about the courses, the eligibility and the fee structures. So in this video, I will mainly focus on engineering programs offered by this university, and next I will talk about AEEE 2021, plus I will add some clips of the university and pictures. So without wasting time, let's just start the video. So first, let me give you a quick introduction about the university. Amrita Vishwa Vidya Peetham is also known as Amrita University. Established in 1994, is a private deemed to be university which is located in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Amrita Vishwa Vidya Peetham is a multi-campus and multidisciplinary with 6 campuses across the country. So first, main campus is located in Coimbatore and the other 5 campuses are located in Amritapuri, Bangalore, Chennai, Mysore and Kochi. The Coimbatore campus has been accredited with A grade by NACC and has been ranked 4th among the Indian universities by NIRF ranking 2020. The Amrita Vishwa Vidya Peetham Coimbatore is ranked 8th best university in India by NIRF, Government of India, and awarded Institution of Eminence tag to Amrita Vishwa Vidya Peetham University to emerge as world-class teaching and research institution by Government of India. More than 85% of students got placed by the top recruiters. The highest package offered was worth rupees 43.3 lakh per annum. So this is the college website. When you click here, you can see the departments offered by the university. So there are many programs which are offered by this university, but in today's video I will only cover BTech engineering programs. So when you click on admissions 2021, so when you click on BTech programs, so university offers 13 engineering programs, and you can also see the campus in which this course is offered. So like aerospace engineering is only offered in the Coimbatore campus. Automation and robotics engineering is also only offered in Coimbatore campus. So chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer and communication engineering, computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence, computer science and engineering, cybersecurity, electrical and computer engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electronics and computer engineering, mechanical engineering. So these are all the engineering programs offered by the university. So now let's see the fee structure of engineering programs. So you can see on the screen, so they have columns for the campuses like Amritapuri, Bangalore, Coimbatore, Chennai, and the course like CSC. I will only talk about Coimbatore campus because that is the main campus of the university. So regular fees for Coimbatore CSE, ECE, AIE, CYS is 3,25,000 per annum. Other programs fees for MEE, ELC, CCE, EEE, ARE, the fees is 3 lakhs for Coimbatore campus, and for CE, CHE and AEE, the fees is 2,50,000 per annum. And you can see the abbreviations full form here. So now let's talk about the admission process for BTech engineering programs. So eligibility criteria: the candidate should pass class 12 from a recognized board with not less than 55% in physics, chemistry and mathematics separately, and aggregate minimum of 60% in physics, chemistry and mathematics. So admission process: selection to the BTech program is based on the rank scored in AEEE 2021 or G Mains 2021 or SAT score or PUEE score An applicant can participate in CSAP, which is Centralized Seat Allotment Process, with any of the above rank score, most preferred branch opted by the candidate allotted according to the rank or score. For example, if applicant's first preference is Computer and Communication Engineering at Chennai campus, the seat allotment process will check if this first preference can be allotted with any of the scores. So in centralized seat allotment process, you have to select your most desired engineering program and the campus also, so they will prefer your first choice. So this is all about the admission process. So admission to BTech program is through AEEE or GMeans 2021 or SAT SAT score. So now I will talk about AEEE 2021. AEEE 2021 will be conducted in online mode and in computer-based test mode at selected cities. So your AEEE 2021 exam will be of 90 minutes duration with 60 questions. So phase 1 and phase 2 are already over. So now I will give important dates for phase 3 exam. So last date to apply for AEEE 2021 phase 3 is July 5. So till July 5th you can apply for phase 3 examination. The start date of slot booking is July 7th, 3 p.m. It is mandatory to book the slot to attend the AEEE phase 3 after submitting your willingness, and last date for slot booking is July 9, 6 p.m. So mock test for AEEE 2021 is on July 8 to 10 and the timings are from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. It is important to take the mock test for smoother live test. Installation of the software shall be done and tested in advance. AEEE phase 3 examination is from July 11th to July 14th. 2 sessions per day, so they will conduct examination in 2 sessions. So first session timings are from 10 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. and the session 2 timings are from 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. and you can also take the retest if there is some problem with your computer or with your internet. So retest for candidates who faced login issues and absentees for phase 3 exam is on July 7. Publication of phase 3 score is on July 22 and CSAP registration, which is centralized seat allotment process, starts from July 22 and ends at July 31st. And you can see the important dates for allotments and last date to accept the admission offer. And classes will start for BTech programs is from 15 September 2021. So they also have given the syllabus for this exam. So when you click here, so you can see the syllabus, and I have also linked this syllabus in my description box, so make sure to check it out. So it is a center based test, so you have to book your center and then you have to go to that center and you have to write the examination, and you can read the instructions for this examination here. I have also linked this page in description box, so make sure to check it out. And admit card can be downloaded after slot booking. So after your slot booking, you can download your admit card. If you have any other doubt or inquiry related to the examination or related to any program, so you can contact to the university or you can email to the university. And application has started for phase 3 examination. So when you click on the apply now, so you will see this online admission portal. So first you have to register. Steps to follow for applying are: register with your email, personal information. So after registering, you have to give your personal information, and after that you have to fill the application form. After application form, you have to pay the online application fees, and after that you have to give your academic details and then document uploads. So this is how you can apply for AEEE 2021. So I think I have covered all the topics related to AEEE 2021. And if you have any other doubts, then comment down below or you can DM me on Instagram. So this is all about Amrita Vishwa Vidya Peetham University. So that's it guys for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.